Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. It's been quite some time now since I posted my last video, as I was a bit occupied with my coursework, so managing time was on slightly tougher side. Anyways guys, this video is going to be completely different than what you have seen on my channel so far. In this video, I'll try to imitate a very famous painting from the past, which I think all of you have seen or heard at some point in your life while having a conversation on art over the tea. Now at this stage, I think most of you have got that I'm trying to paint something like Starry Night. Oh yeah, that Starry Night, painted by the great Dutch painter Vincent Van Gogh. Please forgive me if I'm just pronouncing it wrong. Now to speak of this painting, Van Gogh painted this in 1889, just 13 months before his death, when he was staying in a mental asylum. This particular scene is supposed to be a view from the artist's bedroom window while he was in the asylum. This painting not only depicts the creative genius of Van Gogh, but it also depicts an exertion to create a dream out of reality, a medium to travel in time, to escape from the boundings of limitations which were killing Van Gogh from inside. He was a huge fan of nighttime, and this painting was more than enough to justify his passion for the dark beauty glittered with stars, forming a calmness beyond imagination. Van Gogh was a post-impressionist painter. Now this art movement was characterized by the subjective approach to the painting rather than trying to mimic the nature. In this particular style, the artist was more concerned about the inner emotions, feelings and moods of the subject and the artist himself while painting a particular scene. The most common thing which was evident in this style of painting was the use of symbolic motifs, unnatural colors and the painterly expressive brushwork. As in this case, if you just look precisely, you will find that the whole painting is an integration of short brushstrokes painted with great freedom. Now speaking of the process, I followed my own ways to recreate this particular scene, which will vary greatly with the master Van Gogh, as I am not even close to 0.1% of his excellence and as painterly as he was. It's actually not possible to mimic the same work by Van Gogh with my numb efforts using gouache paint, which I have used to create this particular painting. Now I have used quite thick layers of paint to capture the resemblance with the brushwork of Van Gogh, which actually took me a number of layers to develop that richness and the depth in the colors. For the sky, I have basically used Prussian blue and gamboge yellow for the stars, mixed with a lot of white to create a variety of tints. In some areas, I have used a very dark value of Prussian blue mixed with black to define a few dark areas. Now there are some very interesting and striking facts associated with the Starry Night, which includes that the Starry Night was not Van Gogh's first Starry Night. He painted a lot of other night scenes which were kind of similar in approach. Surprisingly, Van Gogh considered the most celebrated work of him as a failure, as the historians suggest that he was not quite happy with the end result of his later masterpiece. The historians suggest that the morning star, that is, the Venus shown in the painting, was actually painted by the Van Gogh unknowingly, which he wrote on a letter to his brother. Again, surprisingly, Van Gogh sold only one or two paintings in his lifetime, and the Great Starry Night was not one among them, which was really a big surprise for me as well when I came to know about this. For me, the Starry Night was not simply a great painting. It's about the journey of a man who captured the unreal among the real, the truth among the illusion, the peace among the chaos. So with saying that, I would like to conclude this video. Thanks a lot for your time guys. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care and happy painting.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you want to support my work, then please do like, comment and share my works, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, which is very important so that you get notified as soon as I post a new video.